Hello, welcome to Spy Money. So you want to know how bot works. This bot, 2 days ago on the 40 Spy Money bar NQ, ended up making a little over $3,000. Yesterday, I think it was like around $900, and today it's already up 2152.38. Untouched, not bothering it. Let's turn it on and let it run. You can see the trades right here. Where we are with everything, and um, it just makes money. It does a very good job. That's not to say it won't have losing trades, because it will. Right there's a losing trade. On this one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 winners and 1 loss here and 1 loss there. So 6 winners and 2 losses. It's using one contract, $1,000 a contract, well over our goal. It's 215% as far as the trade amount, and we always go for 50%, but I let it run. And it's doing real well. If you are interested, you can always sign up, and I'll show you how to do that right now. It's very simple. I'm not going to go through all the details, but I'll just show you just a real quick video here. If you go ahead and go to spymoneyllc.com, click on the Ninja Suite, and what you have to do, there's a little video here you can watch to teach you how to do this, but you just go ahead and highlight this area, right click it, copy, and then go to Contact Us and paste it right here. Put your name, email, and phone number. Make sure you read and understand this before you send it. But once you do that, I'll send you a link where you can join. And as far as what you get with the Ninja Suite, you get all the bots that we are currently using, and we change these out throughout updates and so forth. When we find something better, we use the better one. Then we have all the indicators. There's about 125 products altogether. Here's some questions that I get asked a lot. So I put in a FAQ in here to where you can get the answer to almost everything that you want. If not, come back up to the top, go to Contact Us, click on that, ask the questions that you have, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Again, just get back to trading. We are up 2152 right now, and it looks like that a possibility of a pullback to go into another short. So hope to see you in the Ninja Suite, get you started, and maybe you can get to where you can build your bank account too.